come to Fashion Mantra exhibition જે રાજપથ ક્લબ પર થઈ રહ્યું છે and they are only here for 3 days, today, tomorrow and the day after, that is 9th, 10th and 11th of May. અને 80 to 90 exhibitors આયા છે અહીંયા, 80 to 90 stalls છે and you will get everything over here. You will get handbags, you will get accessories, makeup items પણ છે એમની પાસે, જ્વેલરીમાં પણ ઘણા જ બધા ઓપ્શન્સ છે, ક્લોથિંગમાં of course many options. They have western wear, they have Indian wear, ethnic wear, થોડું હેવીમાં જોઈતું હોય for weddings તો એમાં પણ કલેક્શન છે એમની પાસે, બેબી વેર और કિડ્સ કલેક્શન પણ છે એમની પાસે. So all you have to do is swipe left to see the collection. Moving inside, again this brand has kurtas, they have kurta sets, 3-piece sets માં options છે, 2-piece sets માં भी ઘણા જ બધા options એમની પાસે available છે if you're looking for kurtas like these, and of course sizes મળી જશે. Moving on to the next brand, again jewelry ની brand છે. They have these delicate pieces, એમની પાસે ethnic pieces પણ છે like these, bangles માં options છે, earring studs માં options છે. You can see they have a wide range when it comes to jewelry. Again heavy Indian wear માટેની એક brand છે અહીંયા, and what she has worn is part of her collection, something in a sharara set style. Another brand જેમની પાસે heavy Indian wear નું collection છે, 3-piece sets છે, jacket સાથે કઈ options જોઈતા હોય તો એ પણ મળી જશે. So આ બ્રાન્ડની પાસે આખું 3-piece suitsનું collection છે. You can see multiple options that they have over here that you can choose from. Moving on to the next brand, jewelry collection છે. You can see ethnic jewelry pieces જોઈતા હોય, if you want chokers, if you want jewelry sets with earrings, તો એમાં એમની પાસે ઘણા જ બધા options available છે. Moving on to the next brand, this brand has heavy Indian wear અને એમની પાસે આવા શરારા સેટ્સમાં options છે, similar to the one that she is wearing. Okay, again another jewelry brand that we have over here, multiple options છે when it comes to jewelry pieces, bangles, bracelets, બધા જ માં options તમને જોવા મળશે. There are brands with makeup items as well over here. This brand has kurta sets and dresses જોઈતા હોય તો there are brands selling those as well. You can see ઘણા જ બધા options are available. Something like this is also available. This is in silk,
chinon cotton.
Chinon cotton match. Okay, so they have lots of pieces in that as well. Okay, Lucknowi chikankari ma kai collection so they have brands selling that as well. Moving on to the next brand, this brand again has 3-piece Indian wear, heavy weddings ma pehraye evu collection છે એમની પાસે. They also have short kurtis like these. Another brand જેમની પાસે handbags છે. If you're looking for accessories માં પણ options are available. This is another brand and this brand has sarees over here. ઘણી જ બધી સાડી છે. આ બધી સાડીનું કલેક્શન છે. સો વેડિંગ્સમાં લેવા માટે પોટલીઝ જોઈતી હોય, બેગ્સ જોઈતી હોય, હેવી નાઇસ બેગ્સ જોઈતી હોય, then this brand has collection in that. They also have a collection of perfume and ittar both. You can see, you can come, and this entire area itself is very fragrant. Again, jewelry brand. Lots of jewelry brands to choose from. Ethnic and western pieces. Korean pieces. Next, kurtani brand છે અહીંયા. Again, 3-piece sets માં options available છે. Like these baby clothes or kids collection options joitu hoy so there is a brand with kids collection as well, and this is on cotton, I am guessing. Okay, so this is on cotton. Emni paase dress materials ma be looking for such long pieces with jackets, so this brand has that. They also have 3-piece sets over here. Moving on to the next brand, again 3-piece sets માં ઘણા જ બધા collection તમને અહીંયા જોવા મળશે. હેવી વેડિંગ્સમાં પહેરાય એવું collection છે. સાઇઝીસ ઓફકોર્સ મળી જશે. There are about 80 to 90 exhibitors over here. Okay. Again, bags જોઈતી હોય, tote bags જોઈતી હોય. If you are looking for sunglasses, તો એનું આખું કલેક્શન અહીંયા છે. They have wallets as well. હોમ ડેકોરમાં કોઈ પીસીસ જોઈતા હોય, if you're looking for bedspreads, pillows, cushion covers, then this brand has those. ફૂટવેરમાં ઓપ્શન્સ જોઈતા હોય તો આ બ્રાન્ડ છે, એમની પાસે ફૂટવેરમાં ઘણા જ બધા ઓપ્શન્સ છે. ઓફકોર્સ સાઇઝીસ મળી જશે. These are all footwear that you can wear to weddings. Dress materials જોઈતા હોય તો આ again, if you're looking for options in home decor, bedspreads જોઈતા હોય, bed sheets જોઈતી હોય, then this brand has that. આ બ્રાન્ડની પાસે again dress materials છે, એની પાસે સાડીઝમાં બી ઘણા બધા ઓપ્શન્સ છે. If you're looking for western wear, so they have bottoms over here, they have shirts over there. Okay. Again, if you want something to pujama use થઈ શકે, so they have all those ornaments as well, like these. Again, kurta sets, 3-piece and 2-piece now options are available over here. This brand has heavy dress materials, Indian dress materials. They also have coats. Lots of options to choose from. Something that she's showing. Okay. This brand has a bit of नवरात्रि के साड़ीनी जोड़े ब्लाउजेस જોઈતા હોય તો બ્લાઉઝીસમાં બી ઓપ્શન્સ આર અવેલેબલ ઓવર હિયર. Moving on to the next brand. This brand has quad sets. They have dresses. Again, આખું collection તમને અહીંયા જોવા મળશે for kids as well. This is kurtis. Okay. They have kurtis. And this is Ajrak
short top.
Okay, Ajrak short tops and kurtis में options available है. Moving on to the next brand. Brand में पास again kurtis में options है. They have kurti sets में options as well. This brand નું આખું collection is on cotton. Cotton में इनके पास kurta sets है, quad sets है, the two-piece sets है. They have only kurtas as well. 3-piece sets में options जोईता होय, then this brand has that, and these are all very breathable materials over here. BG brand है जेनी पासे dress materials में भी options available है. There is a western wear brand over here जेनी पासे tops, shirts, and they have options in dresses as well. Again, another brand જેની પાસે vacation wear માટે ઘણા જ બધા pieces available है, like these. Again, home decor માટે if you need table mats, spreads, if you want organizers, so EMA options are available. So, Lucknowi chikankari bottoms જોઈતા હોય જે dyeable છે, એમાં options available છે. They also have kurtis and kurtas, short and long બંનેમાં, something with spaghetti straps like these. Printed માં options છે, solid માં भी options available છે. There is another brand here જે home decor માટે છે. So if you're looking for duvets, if you're looking for bed sheets, then they have those as well. This is resin art, and resin art collection है. If you're looking for clocks, if you're looking for keychains, if you're looking for earrings, so they have options in those. This brand has an entire bottoms new collection, and they have dupattas new collection over here. And bottoms ma offers આપે છે. Offers you'll have to come here and check it out.
Went for 1,000.
Okay. Moving on, again a jewelry brand over here. Adjustable rings જોઈતી હોય તમને